The new moon is not an end, but a beginning. When you know this, you can plant your dreams in the dark of the moon and watch them grow with the light. Every end is a new beginning. Every darkness holds its own light.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Welcome, beautiful souls. The first new moon of 2025 is approaching on January 29th, and it's going to be incredibly powerful. This new moon in Aquarius coincides with the Lunar New Year and brings transformative energy for manifestation and new beginnings. I'm excited to guide you through a sacred ritual to harness this magical energy. This new moon is special because it's the first new moon of 2025. It aligns with the Lunar New Year. Uranus, Aquarius's ruler, stations direct the next day. We have a powerful Pisces stellium, and Jupiter forms an auspicious trine with the sun and moon. This cosmic alignment creates perfect conditions for setting powerful intentions and manifesting your dreams. For this ritual, you'll need a new journal or notebook, your favorite pen, a white candle, and optionally, sage or palo santo and crystals aligned with Aquarius energy. You'll also want to find a quiet, sacred space. Remember, it's not about having everything perfect. It's about your intention and energy. Begin by clearing your space physically and energetically. If you use sage or palo santo, mindfully cleanse your area while setting the intention to release any stagnant energy. Light your white candle, symbolizing the pure potential of new beginnings. If this is your first ritual with a new journal, place your right hand over it and say, I dedicate this sacred journal to manifesting my highest good and documenting my spiritual journey. So it is. Take 3 deep breaths to center yourself. Feel the innovative, forward-thinking energy of Aquarius flowing through you. This sign rules community, technology, humanitarian causes, and breaking free from limitations. Write your intentions as if they're already manifesting. For example, I am opening myself to innovative solutions. I am contributing positively to my community. I am embracing my authentic self. I am manifesting abundance in all forms. Remember to write in the present tense, focusing on how you want to feel, rather than just material goals. After writing your intentions, add this powerful closing statement. I give thanks to the universe for these intentions, manifesting in divine timing and perfect alignment with my highest good and the highest good of all involved. So it is. Read your intentions aloud one final time, feeling the emotion of having them fulfilled. Close your journal and place it somewhere special. You can return to it at the next new moon to reflect on what has manifested. Don't forget, you have a 3-day window around the new moon to perform this ritual. The exact new moon occurs at 7:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 29th, but you can do this ritual anytime between January 28th to 30th. Remember, you are the magic. This ritual is simply a tool to help you connect with your inner power and the universe's support. Trust in the process, stay open to receiving, and know that everything unfolds in perfect divine timing. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Drop a comment below sharing your experience with new moon rituals. I love hearing from this amazing community. As always, we end this session in light and love, Code of Ascension. Thank you for your curiosity and for being a part of this journey. Until next time, keep ascending.